Day after NIA arrested couple from Leilon, Vaiphei in connection to killing of 6 Naga men, Pradeep's mother, Babita, has voiced her discontentment over the recent arrest of her son and his wife, Ayingbi, by security forces in connection with the abduction and brutal murder of 6 Naga hostages. In a video circulated on social media, Babita claimed that her family has done nothing wrong, emphasizing that they have been peacefully living in Leilon, Vaiphei for nearly 30 years. She demanded that the genuine reason behind the arrest of her son and daughter-in-law be made clear to her. She further alleged that the security forces vandalized her home, damaging clothes and other household items during the raid. Asserting that her family lives from hand to mouth, Babita refuted all charges leveled against the duo. She demanded the immediate release of her son and daughter-in-law while criticizing the government for acting on what she called false allegations made by Liangmai villagers.
Moina ikoi bu baran pi na tauri je kari gi no ma che atumaran thi bio ai tombi gi nu pi ahan ni kana da su kari so akai ba chai khang da babu khang ni hayu hai ba se de noina kaya ra hai ro ba su u da ba do ai kari hayu hai nung che ra bai sai mau pha ra pu bi ri ba che athu ba ma tam na tha pi kari maran le ba gi mama hoi ba ina chang li ba je moina u bi de je kari gi no ai ba ai gi chagi maran kari le ba gi no moina adom pa bi ri ba se bo पैसा तो लाम पूबी करे के चांग खरा पूबी अदा का नोई तौरी से करे नो आइ बा इमिंग इथा करे कांगे आइ ना व्हाट्सएप ता दुम इमिंग था रे का फाउ आइ करे ना की फाली बा यारो इसाई माउ की मारान ले त बनी